Since 1985, this industry leader in proportional electro-pneumatic pressure and flow control has been innovating and providing high-quality products with the core values of being accurate, repeatable, and customizable. Combining their unique and advanced control technology with what they consider to be their biggest asset, their team of knowledgeable and service-forward employees, they are able to find solutions for the most unique and exacting air pressure and flow applications. Offering quality products while striving to always create the best experience possible for their customers. Join us in Gulf Breeze, Florida, as we visit with the team at the newest location of Proportion Air.
Proportion Air is a manufacturer and developer of industrial devices for pneumatics, gas, airflow, as well as other media.
What makes Proportion Air unique and sets us apart is we are experts in industrial and automation control with the ability to work one-on-one with engineers. We specialize in full customization to our products versus limited range, off-the-shelf products found in many catalog houses. We have a broad line of products to offer. We primarily carry 3 different lines, but the options are endless. We have our proportional regulators that we offer, and we also manufacture a Burling valve, and then we also a brand called Protect Air. Proportional regulators are configured to unique and custom assemblies or process needs that engineers are looking for. And then Burling is in mostly industrial settings. You'll find in refineries, etc.
Proportion Air, our customer service department is excellent. Not only, when you call, you will speak to someone, but if you're having technical issues, we will send someone out to you to help and assist.
And if the opportunity requires someone to come visit you on site and work with you hands-on, we have business development managers that are available to travel the country and to work with you one-on-one.
I think Proportion Air is one of the world's greatest because we're American made. We are in so many applications that affect so many people in their lives. We can take just dust and test the DNA in it. It takes 90 minutes to test DNA. We're able to split blood cells and test those. We're in cataract surgeries where, it's sucking the cataracts out. Aerospace, automotive, it's just such a variety of what we do, and it's amazing.